This video is sponsored by LOVO, but more about that later in the video. Now, if you're looking for free content to be able to put into your blog posts, your membership sites, your social media accounts, or even content for your own product, today we're going to be talking about 6 of the best free PLR Content Sites Online 2023. Now, if you'd like to learn a little bit more about that, stick around to the end. Hey, I'm Henry and I'm from Product Creation Formula. And here at Product Creation Formula, we love to give you tips and tricks to be able to help you create your products quickly and easily. Along with that, we also do product reviews as well as tips on how to make money online. So if that's the sort of thing that interests you, happy to smash the like button as well as subscribe, and also hit the bell icon so you can be notified when we upload more videos. All right, guys, let's go check it out. All right, now here we are at a place called Free PLR Articles. Now, I'll leave a link for all of these in the description down below. Now, if you want to, all you have to do is just go over here. You can have a look at the article license just to show you that it is all 100% okay to use as private label rights. Basically, you can do whatever you want with these articles. Don't forget, these are PLR articles, so it is always a good idea to rewrite them a little bit. Okay, so let's go back to the home. Now you can have a quick look at some of these articles if you wish to. And if you can't find what you're after, you can go over here to category list, click on that, and you can have a look at the plethora of different articles that they actually have on offer. So let's have a look at this one here, affiliate marketing. We'll click on that. Now remembering, you can choose any one of these. Now, I know there are going to be some sites here that people go, oh, some of these sites are paid sites. Well, actually, some of these sites have paid aspects to them. Say, for example, if you wish to join up, you can join up all of these sites for free. They do have some areas where you have to pay for some things, but there are also areas where they do have some free articles. So inevitably, I get comments when I do these free videos, I'll get occasionally a comment saying, but these sites aren't free. Well, actually, they are. It's just some of the things are paid content, but they do have free aspects to them. So just be aware of that. Okay, so but this one here is completely free, and that is fine. You can over here, have a look here. Affiliate marketing defined, you can click on that. Now it does have the name of the person who wrote it, which is great. But if you don't want to do that, you can just get rid of that. And you can get all this, and you can copy all of this down and place it into a text document somewhere, and then put it into something like Quillbot to rewrite it and reorganize it so as it becomes unique to you. And then you can add things like your website, your membership site, even a content that you're creating to be able to sell as a product of your own. Maybe even an ebook. Now let's go and have a look at the next site. Now this one is called IDPLR. Now these guys are made in InDigitalWorks. Now the InDigitalWorks and IDPLR are the same people, and I know that in the past I've also said I'll never promote InDigitalWorks or IDPLR, but the reason I'm promoting it this particular time is because they do have excellent products, and they do have some really good amount of free products as well. So that's why I'm doing that. Now their customer service leaves a lot to be desired, but if you join up for the free, then you can download as many of the free things as you want, and that's fine. Yeah, they're actually a good site. It's just they have really bad customer service, which is not cool, but we're not looking at that right now. We're looking at the free products that you can download. You have to sign up, make an account, join up for free, and then you can download any of these free products. Here you've got free ebooks, free software, free videos, but right now we're going to have a quick look at the free ebooks. And once you sign in, you can have a look at all these different free ebooks that you can then choose to have a look at. And they tell you what their licenses are underneath them. So see resale rights, personal use rights. You may find it difficult to find some private label rights stuff, but you can have a look at what they have. There you go, you got some private label rights stuff there, personal use, etc., etc. So you can have a look through here, and they have a good couple of hundred free products that you can have a look at to be able to change and make your own. Make sure it is private label rights, not master resale rights or personal use rights. Make sure it does definitely say private label rights before you go get it. All right, so let's go and have a look at the next one. The next one we are looking at is called Killer PLR Articles, and they do have some amazing articles here. Let me just quickly log in so that I can show you around a little bit more. And what you need to do when you sign in, you finally come to this page, and what you need to do is you just click on here where it says categories here. You can click on that, and then you can scroll down to find the area you're looking for. Right now I'm looking for this one, and I am looking for Internet Marketing PLR Articles. So I'm just going to click on that, and you can have a bit of a read through all of these. And what I would suggest you do, So for example here, 2 marketing strategies to make money online. So let's click on that. And you can have a bit of a read through, and you can see this is actually quite a long article. It goes for 977 words. So you can have a look at that, and you can copy all of that down, put it into a Word document somewhere or a text document and save it anywhere you want. Now, I'm not promoting the individual articles, I'm promoting the site, so just be aware of that. Now remembering, I don't get any commissions for any of these because they're all free sites, and I'm not putting affiliate links for any of these, and they're going to be down below. Okay, so before we go any further, let's have a look at our sponsor. If you're looking for a voiceover for your next project, why not consider an AI voice generator and text-to-speech platform called LOVO? It uses realistic AI voices that will captivate your audience. LOVO is the go-to AI voiceover generator and text-to-speech platform for over 500,000 creators, saving them 90% of their time and budget. Experience the full power of cutting-edge text-to-speech, online video editor, AI voices, AI art, and an AI writing generator that delivers premium results for your next project. With over 500,000 users, you know you're in good company. You can use LOVO for advertising, education, explainer videos, YouTube videos, corporate training, audiobooks, podcasts, social media, product demos, and customer service IVR. Let's go inside LOVO and I'll introduce you to Jenny. Jenny is feature rich and gives you unparalleled voiceover production powered by realistic AI voices. Not only that, but you now have the power to not only produce professional videos with realistic human sounding voices, you can even use Jenny's AI writer to create your video or audio script. It includes a powerful, easy to use video editor so that you don't have to use multiple softwares to get your video produced. You can even use their AI art generator to create original images to include in your videos. Jenny from LOVO allows you to be able to select over 100 different voices from around the world. So why would you want to use AI voiceovers instead of real human voices? Number 1, if the language you're using isn't your main language, you can use LOVO's AI voiceovers to give you a native sounding voice that suits that country's audience. Number 2, it's faster than trying to use your own voice or hiring a voiceover artist to create the voiceover. Number 3, you don't have to re-record your voice every time you make a mistake. And number 4, it's cheaper than hiring a professional voiceover artist. At the moment, LOVO has a special 50% discount for a limited time. Grab a yearly pro account for a whopping 50% off. Right now, you can join LOVO for only $24 a month when you grab the yearly subscription. Link is in the description down below. So grab LOVO today. I know you'll love it as much as I do. Alright, welcome back. Now, what we're going to be having a look at here is PLRdatabase.net. Now, you can sign up for free. Let's have a look here at the pricing section. As you can see, it does have unlimited free downloads for the free section, and you can get started there by clicking on that. So I'm going to quickly log in just so I can show you around. So the first thing you're going to want to do is go over here to where it says Marketplace, and then what you need to do is go over here to where it says Free Products, click on that, and you can also then choose out of all of these over here to see what you want. So let's have a look here. And you can scroll over it and you see whether it says resale rights or whether it says master resale rights or if there's any private labor rights things here. And they are constantly uploading new things like here, private labor rights, this one here, and you got private labor rights there, another private labor rights one. And they do have quite a few private labor right ones in their free section. So you can have a look at the various ebooks as well as articles that they have in this particular area. And you can download them, change them up using things like Quillbot. And I'll leave a link for Quillbot down below, and be aware it will be an affiliate link, and you can change it up using that. And in the free section of PLRdatabase.net, you can download all of these ebooks completely for free. Now let's go and have a look at the next one. Okay, so the next site we're looking at here is called PLR Mines. Now, once again, it's also a paid service, but if you want to, you can join up for free, and it also has a freebie section right here. If you want to be able to look over here, you'll see it says free ebooks with PLR or private label rights license. So you can click on that and it will take you over to this section here, and it gives you lots and lots and lots of different private label right ebooks that you can choose from, and you can then turn this into a product or add it to your blog post or wherever you want, whatever you want. So you can use any of these products as they are, but I would highly suggest you change them using something like Quillbot. And this one here is called PLR Mines. Now, PLR Mines is one of my favorite sites because it's got so many different things you can do with it. Now, it's not just got ebooks, it's also got things like videos, graphics, software. It also has site templates as well. And also, when you join up and become a gold member, you can get access to a free website that you can use as your own. And you can pick and choose whatever one you use. So this is called PLR Mines. All right, guys, let's go check out the next one. Now, I'm going to be taking you here to one called Piggy Makes Bank. Now, Piggy Makes Bank is primarily to do with the health and wellness industry as well as self-improvement industry. They don't have anything on things like making money online or anything, but they do have some really, really cool articles that you can pick and choose from. You can have a look at any of these ones and they are free PLR. As you can see, 7 ways to improve your body image, and you can have a look at the various ones they've got here. And you can just load more if you wish to, and you can just pick and choose, and it does say free PLR, and you can pick and choose as you go. Once again, I'll leave a link for all of these in the description down below. That was our 6 free private label right content sites that you can get for your online business in 2023. Alright guys, hey, if you got some value out of this video, how about you smash the like button as well as subscribe, and also hit the bell icon so you can be notified when we upload more videos. Hey, while you're at it, why not consider sharing, and also leave a comment down below and let me know what you think of these 6 sites. Now, just also to let you know, right here is a video that I believe you might like. Down here is a video YouTube thinks you might like, and right here is an image of my head. Now, if you click on that or poke me in the forehead with your finger, you'll be able to subscribe. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching, and bye for now.